Ever felt hungry an hour after breakfast? A new study in the European Journal of Nutrition found that one simple tweak on your breakfast can boost fullness hormones and keep you full for hours. And the best part is that it works whether you eat plant-based or animal-based protein. Today, I'll show you the research and a 5-minute recipe I eat every morning. Hey there, I'm Nima and I'm doing my PhD in population health. And my job here is to teach science-based habits to improve your overall health. So let's begin. Section 1. Why this matters. Most of us start the day with carbs, toasts, cereals, and maybe a muffin. And we have no idea how eating these items affect our body. I mean, I love muffins and fresh croissants in the morning. But the problem comes when your blood sugar spikes and it's rapid, then crashes, so leaving you hungry and craving for more snacks even. The research showed that protein at breakfast flips the script. It activates hormones like GLP-1 and PYY that are one of the hormones for controlling appetite and hunger. So they literally tell you through your brain, you're full and you should relax. That means fewer cravings and better focus. And I found a nice scheme you can see in the corner. I tried to blur most of the parts, but I ask you to focus only on the red circle to see these hormones. Section 2. The study breakdown. Researchers gave 18 adults 3 different breakfasts. Plant-based high-protein drink, which was 30 grams of protein, animal-based high-protein meals, again 30 grams of protein, and high-carb, low-protein meals, only 10 grams of protein. They measured appetite and hormones for 4 hours. The results were astonishing. Both high-protein meals crushed the carb-heavy breakfast and showed GLP-1 and PYY raised significantly. Subjective appetite dropped a lot, and interestingly, no difference was found between plant or animal-based protein. So both of them actually worked. So if you're a vegan or just prefer plant-based, this time you're good to go. Section 3. Why this works. Proteins slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and trigger satiety or easy form fullness hormones. That's why you feel full longer. And when you start the day with protein, you actually set the tone for better appetite control throughout the whole day. So I would say we can think of it as sending a calm down signal to your hunger hormones. By the way, if you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe for more science-based backed habits, since it will help me to produce more content for you. Let's go to section 4, my 5-minute high-protein breakfast. Here's what I eat every morning, which is quick, delicious, and hits the magic number of 30 grams of protein target. 200 grams of Greek yogurt, which is around 20 grams of protein, 30 grams of whey or plant-based protein powder, 10 to 15 grams of protein, 50 grams of frozen berries, and 10 grams of chia seed. Cinnamon can be for a flavor. Blend it all in, done in 60 seconds, and results is pretty nice and delicious. So, of course, if you're not into dairy, that's okay. You can easily swap Greek yogurt with soy yogurt and use pea protein powder. It's literally showed the same effect. Personally, I've been doing this for months. No mid-morning crashes. And I'm way less feel for snacks. So that's huge. So if you want better appetite control and energy, start with protein. Tell me which version you will try, dairy or plant-based. Drop in the comments. And grab my free high protein breakfast cheat sheet, link in the description.